Hey there, I'm Jan from Lumnio, and I'm back with another quick Lumnio lesson. In this one, we'll take a look at the brand new image editor. We'll learn how to adjust the image with crop and rotation, we'll add some text, and we'll explore all the different ways you can annotate. So, let's get to it. There are so many ways to get to the image editor. But if there's an option to edit a photo anywhere in Lumnio, it's always going to open the same editor. So, once you open it, you will see a screen like this. First, let's get familiar with the controls. This here are your default controls, selector and the palette. Next to that section is a section for annotations. Next to it, a section for text, and last is the section for image adjustment. Down here are your undo and redo buttons. You can even revert all changes if you want to. And once you're done, you can save your edits in this or a different file. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. First, we'll take a look at the image adjustment. You can crop your image using the crop tool, or you can choose from a number of aspect ratios. I recommend using 5:4, that's the best aspect ratio when viewing on a RealWear headset. Once we have cropped, we can rotate or mirror the image. Next, we'll add some text. This is the alternator. We can make the text bold, italic or underscored. If you want to change its size, use the palette tool. Now, to drive the point home, we'll add some annotation. First, we'll add a simple arrow pointing to the alternator. You can choose from various different arrows. For example, we can add this counterclockwise arrow. You can adjust the start and the end of the arrow as well as the radius. Next, we'll add a shape. There are many different types, but we'll add a circle. And the last annotation tool is the freehand drawing tool. We can finish the circle by making it a smiley face. Our drawings are great, but they all look the same. We can change that. Simply select the thing you want to edit and use the palette tool. You can change the color as well as the thickness of the line. So let's make this arrow red. Once you're happy, save your work and we're done. Good job, you mastered the image editor. So let's recap what we learned. We adjusted the image with crop and rotation, we added some text, and we explored all the different ways you can annotate. And that's everything. Thank you for tuning in to today's Lumnio lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.